Number 1. The 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D, priced at $10,000, located in Vernon Rockville, Connecticut. Up for sale is a classic 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe, a true muscle car icon that offers both style and performance. This particular vehicle boasts a freshly rebuilt 350 cubic inch engine, equipped with upgraded components, including high-performance heads, camshaft, Edelbrock intake manifold, and a powerful double-pumper Harley Demon 750 carburetor. Known for its strong rocket power, this engine delivers impressive acceleration and responsiveness. The car originally came with air conditioning, although the system has yet to be reinstalled after the rebuild. Cooling upgrades include a brand new radiator and a 19-inch flex fan combined with a new fan clutch, ensuring the engine stays cool under pressure. The transmission has been enhanced with a shift kit to improve gear changes, making for a smoother driving experience. Safety and braking have also been addressed with a new brake booster and master cylinder. Exhaust-wise, the car features 2.5-inch dual pipes running from long tube headers all the way to the rear, promising a satisfying muscle car rumble. The body and paint are expected to be consistent with the model's era, offering a classic look that's sure to turn heads. The seller is asking $10,000, or the best reasonable offer, and welcome serious inquiries. Number 2. The 1970 Continental Mark III, priced at $4,000, located in Vallejo/Benicia, runs and drives. This 1970 Continental Mark III is a rare find for those interested in restoring a luxury classic. It runs and drives, but is currently in need of significant restoration and mechanical attention. Several issues require addressing, including a radiator leak, windows that are off their tracks, and a transmission that slips when warming up. Additionally, while a new battery has been installed, it unfortunately drains quickly. The car also needs a fresh paint job and a replacement for its worn convertible top, alongside some minor bodywork to restore its pristine condition. Despite these challenges, the vehicle has seen substantial investment over the past 6 years, including a new camshaft, push rods, lifters, timing cover alternator, voltage regulator, oil pressure sender air filter, valve covers, carburetor rebuild, bushings, pitman arm, and comprehensive brake and ignition system rebuilds. Registration is current, and the front seats were reupholstered by a previous owner, while the rear seats remain original and in good shape. The hood ornament is not included, but the sale comes with ready spare and several extra new tires. This Mark III is perfect for enthusiasts ready to tackle a rewarding restoration project. Number 3. The 1966 Dodge Coronet 440, priced at $8,500, located in Grafton, a classic 1966 Dodge Coronet 440 model, featuring a 318 poly engine paired with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has been thoughtfully maintained with many recent upgrades and repairs, including a new radiator, thermostat, all brake lines, complete front-end overhaul, and new front and rear shocks. The mufflers, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, and tires have also been replaced, contributing to reliable operation. The body is structurally sound, with solid trunk pan and floors, but the car needs a new convertible top to complete its restoration. This car drives well and is a strong contender for anyone interested in a classic convertible muscle car. Offers and trades may be considered, but the seller requests no junk or non-serious offers. Number 4. The 1983 Buick Electra Park Avenue, priced at $9,995, located in Grand River, Ohio. This pristine 1983 Buick Park Avenue is a rare find with only one previous owner, who kept it in impeccable condition. Purchased from the son of the original owner, who was over 90 years old, this car was Z-Bart rust-proof when new and never driven during winter months, resulting in an exceptionally clean, rust-free body and undercarriage. Equipped with luxury features including power windows and locks, power seat, tilt steering, cruise control, and an AM/FM cassette stereo, this Buick offers a comfortable and classic driving experience. The medium metallic gray paint is complemented by a light gray vinyl top, and recent additions include new bumper fillers. With just over 85,000 original miles, this car runs, rides, and drives beautifully. It is priced competitively to sell and is available by appointment only. The seller assures the vehicle has been inspected and serviced, with warranties available. Potential buyers are encouraged to contact the seller directly for more details or to view the extensive photo collection showcasing this clean and well-preserved classic. Number 5. The 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $7,200, located in Gladstone. This 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix has been stored indoors since 2015, preserving much of its original condition. It features a rebuilt Pontiac 400 engine and a Turbo 400 automatic transmission with an installed shift kit for enhanced performance. The car is equipped with floor shifters, bucket seats, power windows, tilt steering, air conditioning, power steering, and power disc brakes, offering a comfortable and powerful ride. Recently, the vehicle has had new tires, a new stainless steel fuel tank with sending unit, starter, power steering hoses, brakes, and filters installed. The floors and trunk are in very good condition, although some slight rust spots and dent are visible, as pictured by the seller. While not perfect cosmetically, this Grand Prix represents a very solid foundation for anyone interested in a classic muscle car, ready to drive and enjoy. Number 6. The 1968 Mercury Montego Convertible MX, priced at $8,200, located in Stockton. For sale is a classic 1968 Mercury Montego Convertible MX, a rare and stylish muscle car from the late 60s. This Montego is in good running condition, featuring a reliable 302 cubic inch V8 engine that powers it smoothly. It comes with a clean title and all tags are current, so it's ready for immediate registration and road use. The car runs and drives well, making it a great option for anyone looking for a classic convertible to enjoy on sunny days or weekends. With its good condition and solid drivetrain, it's an appealing find for both collectors and enthusiasts. Number 7. The 1979 Chevy Impala, priced at $9,500, located in Minneapolis. This 1979 Chevrolet Impala is a remarkable one-owner family heirloom, lovingly preserved by its great-grandmother and passed down through generations. The vehicle remains largely original in every aspect, with the body, interior, engine, and drivetrain all untouched, showcasing true vintage authenticity. The only modern upgrade is a new aftermarket stereo system with updated radio and speakers, enhancing sound quality without compromising the car's classic charm. The Impala has been garaged and rarely driven in recent decades, keeping it well preserved and clean. It comes with a clean title and no liens, making the ownership transfer straightforward. This Impala runs smoothly and remains a head turner, perfect as a weekend cruiser or a standout collectible for your garage. Serious inquiries only, please. Number 8. The 1973 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $5,200, located in Wooster, Ohio. Here is a 1973 Ford Thunderbird with low miles that runs and drives great. While it has a few rusty spots typical for its age, the car is otherwise solid and reliable. The Thunderbird is known for its comfortable ride and classic style, making it a nice cruiser or project car. The seller is open to offers or trades, providing flexibility for interested buyers. This Thunderbird is a great candidate for anyone looking to restore or simply enjoy a classic American coupe. Number 9. The 1965 Ford Mustang 289, priced at $4,000, located in Waterloo. Up for sale is a 1965 Ford Mustang, convertible powered by the classic 289 engine. The car has been sitting for some time, but was running when last parked. It's in generally good condition, except for the need of a new convertible top. With approximately 70,000 miles, this Mustang carries a lot of character and history. The vehicle was owned by the seller's grandfather, who passed away a few years ago, and the family has not had a chance to restore or use it. Serious inquiries only, please. Number 10. The 1967 Dodge Coronet 440. Priced at $8,000. Located in Richmond, Virginia. This 1967 Dodge Coronet 440 is a true cruiser equipped with a 318 LA engine and a TorqueFlite 3-speed automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include Bilstein shocks for improved handling and an Edelbrock AVS2 carburetor with a 4-barrel intake, original 2-barrel intake included. Additional features include dual exhaust and power steering, making this a fun and comfortable muscle car for weekend drives. The car runs and drives really well, and the seller has partnered with it to free up garage space, ready for a new owner to enjoy the classic cruising experience. Number 11. The 1966 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $7,000, located in Goldsboro, North Carolina. This classic Chevrolet Impala is described as a great car that runs well, offering a solid and reliable old-school driving experience. The body and interior appear to be in decent condition, though details are limited. The vehicle would suit a buyer looking for a straightforward, vintage full-size sedan ready to enjoy or restore. The asking price reflects its condition and drivability. Interested buyers should contact the seller directly for more information. Number 12. The 1968 Oldsmobile 88 Sedan 4D, priced at $7,000, located in Bedford, Indiana. This Oldsmobile 88 is a 4-door sedan powered by a 425 cubic inch engine, showing 57,000 original miles. It has been sitting in use for over 35 years, stored indoors without gas in the tank. The car may require mechanical servicing before running, but retains much of its original character. The body appears intact, though no recent mechanical condition is reported. The car is sold as a long-term storage project with potential for restoration or display. Number 13. The 1972 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $5,400, located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. This 1972 Thunderbird comes equipped with a 429 engine and approximately 80,000 original miles. It features power windows, functional air conditioning and heating, disc brakes, and power steering, making it a comfortable cruiser. The body is structurally sound with no rust or bondo, though it has some minor cosmetic flaws, including paint flaking and a small dent. It runs flawlessly and would be suitable for someone looking for a reliable classic personal luxury car. The seller includes original parts, such as the owner's manual, carburetor, and radiator. Number 14. The 1976 Plymouth Volare, priced at $7,500, located in Utica, Ohio. This Plymouth Volare is a performance-oriented vehicle featuring an 8 3/4 rear axle with a limited slip differential and aggressive 4.56 gears. The car has a professionally built 318 engine paired with a 904 automatic transmission, centerline wheels, and a 6-point roll cage. It is offered as a roller for $8,500 or complete with either the 318 or 360 engine for $9,500. The body and mechanical components are clean, and the vehicle is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a street or track-ready classic. Number 15. The 1966 Dodge Polara, priced at $1,000, located in Rapid City, South Dakota. This 1966 Dodge Polara project car is powered by a 383 V8 with an automatic transmission. It is solid structurally and includes many good parts such as glass, grille, trim, lenses, tires, fender skirts, and the title. The car is sold as is, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or a parts donor. The low asking price reflects its project status, and the seller is open to negotiations or trades for automotive-related items.